Hmm, beautiful rainy day. But I think I better go outside and see what damage the wind has done. The air is nice and fresh. Washes away all the smog, all the dirt. It's awesome. But the wind has caused a little bit of mayhem. Knocked over all the peppers and other plants. Basil's on the floor. And the top to this is missing. See if I can find it. The wind tossed it all the way over here. Awesome day though. Can't get much work done out here, but I love the rain. Here, you can be in touch with nature and enjoy it as it should be enjoyed. That's what I like about living in the middle of the forest. I love it. Wouldn't go back for nothing. I guess I'll do a little quick cleanup here. I'm sure the basil will survive. And I'm sure the peppers will survive also. But I think tomorrow I will put them in the greenhouse. As much as I like having this greenery here, it just gives me a sense of peace having green around. But I think it's time with the wind. With the wind, I think it's time for them to go on the greenhouse where they're not affected as much by the weather. Plus, I should have moved them, at least put them in bigger planters anyway. I've been busy. But hey, check this out. Look at the little peppers on here. I don't know if you can see them. Look at that. Right there. Pretty cool. Everything else survived. I see peppers here. And, of course, my moringa is fine. And I know they're going to fall over again, but they'll survive the night. And then tomorrow, because today is a day of rest. Sunday is for relaxing. And then Monday, I'll get back at it and probably repot these and, do a few other things. Kale's doing okay, though. Kale's doing fine. Awesome. This one's doing fine also. Yep. I'll repot them tomorrow.